Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make the most creamy and cheesy mac and cheese. This recipe is so delicious, very easy to make. Your guests will ask for more. Before I begin, if you're new to my channel, please take a quick moment to subscribe, like this video for me if you enjoy it, and let's dive in to this recipe. If you want to make this recipe, the ingredients will be found in the description box below. Let's jump right into the recipe. So, first thing first, I am going to start by boiling the pasta. So my water is already nice and hot. I am going to add salt and a little bit of chicken bouillon to it. And then I am going to add my pasta. Now I'm using 16 ounces of elbow-shaped pasta, but if you're making more of this, you can just double everything. While that is boiling, we're going to jump on the cheese. This part is crucial. When you want a nice, creamy, authentic flavor mac and cheese, it's best to grate your own cheese. I know it's hard. I know, trust me. But it's best to just do it prior to boiling the pasta. But this is the pasta right now. As you can see, it's nice and cooked. I am going to drain the water, set it aside. Now it's time to make the roux. I like to start by adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter to a saucepan, and then once that is nice and melted, you can add garlic to this. However, we're using garlic powder, so you can skip the garlic if you like, or you can fry the garlic now. If not, you're going in with about 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Make sure to cook the flour so you can remove the raw flour taste, if you know what I mean. Once it's nice and cooked, you are going to grab your whole milk and pour that in. As you can see, I'm stirring as I go so I don't form any lumps. And then we are going to start seasoning this cheese sauce, okay? Well, before the seasoning, I am going to add in cream cheese. This is what's going to make it super creamy on top of all the cheese and all of that already in there. So add your cream cheese, and then I'm going to add a little bit of sour cream. Yes, the sour cream, you're barely gonna taste it, but it'll add a little bit of flavor, a unique flavor to your mac and cheese. Now, if you do like egg, I'm not against it. Of course, you can add your egg to your mac and cheese, but that's the way I've been doing it for years and years and years. It never fails. It's always 10 out of 10 for me. So I added Creole Seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper. I believe I added a little bit of chicken bouillon as well in there, and then I'm going to add in the cheese. For the cheese, I'm using 3 different kinds of cheese. I'm using Colby Jack cheese, gouda cheese, and sharp cheddar cheese. They're always perfect when I make mac and cheese with them. You can add mozzarella, but these are the cheese that I use. I like to give you guys options, okay? So now you're going to pour your cheese sauce to your mac and cheese. Stir it, and as I go, I like to add a little bit more cheese in there. Believe it or not, this is mac and cheese, and I like it extremely cheesy, okay? As you can see, I'm adding more cheese because why make a mac and cheese if it's not cheesy? So I added some more cheese, and then we are going to pour it to our baking dish. Now I am going to add some more cheese. Yes, you guessed it. So I'm going to add some more cheese in there, mix it up together, because I'm like, this needs to be extremely cheesy and it's not giving cheesy. So I need to add more cheese. So once I'm done adding the cheese, mix it up, and then we're going to cover it with more cheese. I know it's going to be extremely cheesy. All right. So once you're done adding your cheese, you're going to bake this uncovered. This is a little bit of paprika just for to garnish, nothing really. Then I'm going to bake this on 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once it's done, this is what you have. A nice cheesy yet creamy mac and cheese recipe. This recipe every year it's always a hit, okay? And look how creamy this is. Look how cheesy this is. You see the action? You see the cheesy action? Yes, indeed. It's nice and creamy and tastes absolutely delicious. Okay guys, I'm ready to try this mac and cheese. It looks so cheesy and creamy too. So let's give it a try. So cheesy. Okay, let's give it a try. Creamy, cheesy, and of course, bomb. It tastes delicious. Your guests will ask for more. Like I said, this is the mac and cheese you need to be serving on Thanksgiving. It's so cheesy and so creamy, so delicious. Hopefully you enjoyed today's recipe. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up for me. Also, leave me a comment down below. How do you make your mac and cheese? I would love to know if you make it different from mine. So leave a comment. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.